Out, Jack.
Zimmer Jr. Turbo Galaxy.
Alright, what's going on, everybody? Got another video for you. This week we are headed down to Miami, Oklahoma. Super stoked to get the call back. Last year was super fun and I had a bunch of truck breakage, so it didn't go quite my way. This year we went down there, had a lot better luck, ended up getting the King of Miami title. On our way down, we ended up swinging through Tim Jones's shop with Tailgater to put a new front spool in the front differential of my truck. And I also ended up finding my toy in a Walmart, so that was pretty cool. So yeah, sit back. I got a decently long video for you guys. Hope you all enjoy. Well, we're rolling through the Walmart aisle here, checking all the toys. And yeah, finally found my truck. All the fans have found it, and I finally found my own. So I'm gonna go take this thing to the front. But it's super cool. Definitely didn't think I'd ever have my own toy in a Walmart, and here we are. We finally got one. It was just thrown in here, so it's pretty sick. We go in like butter. Oh shit. I mean, yeah, you're not gonna do that with the old setup.
A plus.
How many rollovers? We can. You, all of them. I think that's how that became loose.
You're doing great. Out, Jack.
You got to hit so far over to hit the cross wall in there, because that is made out of, that is a very thin build. That thing will waffle up faster than a shipping container. But this side here is going to be like hitting like a tank, so you better plan on corkscrewing to the flip.
I'll be looking forward to watching you do that from over there.
But yeah, I definitely want to cut that tire popper, those 3 tire poppers.
What do you think about the takeoff side that's not even hittable either?
Or you're going to go,
Well, you can't even hit it with speed because of how much trench or how much garbage truck's showing still at the top. So it's like you'd crawl up it anyways and then jump off.
you don't want to trip kick it?
I've done a lot of crashing. Okay. Now Chuck, on the other hand,
What about it?
you hit it
No, I ain't.
fast. I want to see a nice smooth drift, proximity left rear on the wall,
If I see somebody else did it and,
and it
it's-
works.
Yeah, it's
So I
good.
need somebody to guinea pig it. That's not fair.
Exactly. I am
Well,
not the guinea
you
pig.
can pretty much.
That one. I want that one.
Yeah.
Track's uneven.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah. Finish line is pretty crooked.
Finish line.
I think
from the-
Chucky made it.
If you're on the far side, finish line's like a 200-foot run. If you're on this side, you rebound and you're there.
That's why Chucky keeps saying he did the finish line.
Oh, what are you talking about?
Yeah, so that's what we thought.
No, you know.
Yeah, have it too, and that make it fair.
Thank you. You need all the help I could get.
Same.
Nah, you
Oh yeah.
Actually, I don't know. He did hit the button.
Yeah, I messed up this turn.
It was fast on the first 3 quarters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's still in it, and we're not. Though.
Yeah. Here we are. Losers.
Somebody's got to
I'm gonna go buy corn dog now.
You got no cyclage.
Was that 3 or was that 4?
That's 3.
That was 4.
total of 62 points. Your 2026 King of Miami is John Taylor Jr. Here to the back side of the track for our trophy presentation tonight.
Yeah. Damn, Craig Trigger's got me.
King of Miami, John Taylor Jr. Turbo Velocity. John, you mentioned how special it would be to take home another King of Miami, and you mentioned it would be 3 different chassis good. This is a huge accomplishment for you and your team.
It absolutely is. And speaking of my team, everybody in my team knows how competitive I am and how hard I am with myself. My truck absolutely let me down, and I was destroyed, man. I didn't want to win that way. I knew Zach was going to burn it down, and the fans were going to leave home happy, and something messed up in his truck. So it's super fortunate that I came out on top again, 3 different King of Miami titles. Without my team, man, I wouldn't be here. Started with my dad, man. We started with a dream. He was living it long before I came along, and I got to watch him progress his career, and I get to do it alongside of him. With our own team and our own trucks, with everybody back home at Center Motorsports and North Star Ranch, Don Doody and Carol Ann, thank you guys so much. We get to come out here and live the dream and never grow up and do it in front of these fans that love watching us play with toy trucks.